Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today we are going to learn our next lesson of English Balbharti Standard 1, Unit number 4, Lesson number 3, Good Habits. So, look, listen, repeat and follow the good habits. We are reminded to stay conscious of Allah as we go through life's challenges each day. Following are some good habits to inculcate in ourselves and in our families. Number 1. Be clean, neat and tidy. Clean yourself every day by brushing, taking bath, wearing neat and clean clothes, combing hairs. Because Inna Allah nadhifun yuhibbun nadhafa. Allah is clean and loves cleanliness. Number 2. Don't spit anywhere. Some people are spitting anywhere, so my dear children, you should not spit anywhere. Number 3. Help each other. If you realize that someone needs your help, go and help him. Allah will be pleased with your work. Number 4. Don't waste water. Before leaving the bathroom, toilet and basin, you should confirm that you have turned off the tap. Number 5. Put rubbish in the dustbin. Don't throw it anywhere. Number 6. Don't waste the food. It is big gift from Allah. Some people don't have food to eat, so don't waste the food. Number 7. Eat healthy and fresh food. Don't eat junk food. It is harmful to your health. Eat healthy and fresh food such as vegetables. Number 8. Don't harm animal because they are also Allah's creation. Allah created them for our benefit. Dear students, in this lesson we have learned about some good habits. After some time, inshallah, we will discuss about others.